Yeah, there the caliper is out again, and I'll just clean. Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Sorry that there have been so little video lately. Was dressing with this Lexus RX450 hybrid before we was going to Sweden in a short vacation and looking at basketball. And we got the car home, but now before I was leaving we had to change one spring. I was braking in the back, and then the axle, I think it's the right hand front axle, starting to make noises when you start to go uphill, and turning left start to make gang 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 noises. So I had to, as if someone of you have seen the videos from before, I had a problem with the rubber thing on the axle was jumping off, and it tried to seal it and things, but it looks like it haven't been perfect. It looks like the grease come out from it over time, and that maybe have killed it. So I have ordered a new axle that have come. I'm going to change the brake disc and the brake pads in the front. I have changed in the back. I'm going to overhaul the brake back on the left hand side. It's the brake caliper will start leaking. I was trying to buy an overhaul kit and was coming wrong, and then I also saw that it was wrong brake disc type in the back, so I have made a video before about that. Yeah, so there have been a lot of things happening with this car that made me problems, but we're going to fix it because we need it in a little over a week. We're going driving a long trip if everything is working out. And but luckily, I had to take that. Luckily I get someone to help me when I was getting a little sick myself. I get someone to help me, so we get MOT'd and controlled and checked on changed wheel bearing and pads in the back of my oldest boy's 2000 model Toyota Celica. So that one, I got it on the road now. I had a plan to go out today to relax and just drive a little trip with that car and make a video, but now we drove off with it, and I'm not sure when I'm going to be able to be allowed to use it. But it's fixed. Also, the Porsche Cayenne have been picked up of the same friend that helped me with the Celica. So it's going to check up and fix some things and start to see what we need to do more and what are to order parts. So it's going to help me, so we can try to get the Cayenne on the road too. So I have been so much lately that I needed a little help from some friends, but now I'm just trying to fix the back brake here, and just a little, this video is just a little update. I've taken off the wheel and put on wheel cleaner that's supposed to acid up some of the rust, because it was so bad after all this shit coming on it. So now just let it stand for a couple of minutes and get water and wash it off. After I cleaned up some of the shit here, it's a little easier to work. It is very dirty, so I had some stone. I'm going to clamp off the brake pipe so I don't have to breathe too much in here, there, and there's 14mm here and here on the caliper, and 14mm on the back to take off the system. There the caliper is out again, and I'll just clean it up and get off the piston, and because the new one are supposed to have the right piston, the new set I got. Removing the old piston. I should have had a smaller screwdriver. Yeah, it's cleaned out. And now go get the new sealing things here. A new piston. Hopefully this one is right. Seems to be more right compared to this. Seems to be exactly what I needed. So 3.8 on the Nordic version. Here we have rubber sealants, in out, new air bleeder, but that one is okay on this car. New grease for the sliders. I don't need that because I'm not changing on the sliders. The sliders I get to work as they should. So rubber for sliders and things. Can just put it in here and have it in my spare parts. Now is the system who's locking around in here. See, this one is going around here. Don't feel like this one is any better than the other one. It's supposed to be. There, got it in. Here. Put this on first. There. Yeah. Yeah. Now I have to have this one go in here. I was thinking to put on a little this a little grease, brake grease. This one was not especially nice. I want this to slide in without being too hard to the rubber seal. See here, to get it on in there. is sitting very hard and I don't want to ruin the rubber in there. There, it started bending. Now you see it. And just turn it away and it will stop the bending from happening. Some of the other types have been a locking thing in here, but not on this. This one is just to keep it clean. One in the inside is standing, and this one is coming in and out. That one was the one who is supposed to stop the brake fluid from coming out. And this is stopping dirt from coming in. Then it's back. 14mm, 14mm, and 14mm on the locker back here. So now I have to bleed the system. On this one I have to do it with the OBD scanner. So I bought one, as you see before, for doing this. Here we see again connected OBD under here. I need a battery to press in the brake. The SX tool is selecting the car. Air bleeding. Welcome to air bleeding. This function is used to pure air from them. When bleeding, ensure the fluid level does not drop below the indicated minimum in the liquid. Pressures continue to proceed. Maybe I just should check the brake level, fluid level. Yeah, since I have loose brake fluid because of leakage and thing, I'm just filling up more in there. There, continue. Vehicle is stopped. Park brake is applied. At least now it is. The parking is applied. Ignition switch is on. See here. Put on. Continue. Usual air bleeding activator being removed, or so it's ordinary is one specific line, left rear line. Continue the vinyl tube. Yeah, depress the brake pedal. Press continue for step. Yeah, I'm going to put in this for the brake pedal. Sorry, I forgot. There, brake pedal is in. Loose the bleeder plug with the brake pedal held down. Repeat the process until the air stops coming out. Just loosen this. You see here. This process is very, very fast. there. If I was supposed to do this manually, get someone to help, we've had to go back for this very fast. Hopefully it's going to work out now. Not be more shit here. I'm just hoping. So please start following. There are going to be more videos about this RX450. Because we need to do something with front disc, front pads, drive shaft, right hand side, front, and some other things. So please come back, please start following, and please put a like and comment.